I will never look at leftovers the same way again after learning this. Are you ready to transform your fridge scraps into gourmet goodness? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious hacks. All right, let's dive in. First, grab whatever veggies you've got chilling in your fridge. Got some carrots, celery, and that half an onion from Taco Tuesday? Perfect. Chop them up. Next, let's talk protein. Leftover chicken, beef, or even last night's tofu stir fry? Toss it in. Now for the broth. No broth? No problem. Just mix a bouillon cube with water. Boom, instant flavor. Add some seasoning, salt, pepper, and a pinch of that mystery spice you bought ages ago. We all have one. Bring it all to a simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing. And there you have it, a delicious, hearty soup made from leftovers. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time, foodies.